Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why the audio was slow.
Okay, no problem. So, I hope you don't have any doubt in my previous lecture. So, should I
No.
continue? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Did you practice?
Practice. Yeah.
Okay.
Little bit, but don't. Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Actually, yesterday I had little work.
Okay,
So
fine.
tomorrow I'll practice really good all three sessions.
Okay, fine. Excellent.
And if
So,
there is anything, I'll note down and I'll talk to you on Monday.
yes, definitely. So, don't forget to practice. That is very compulsory.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, of course. So, see, now
I still remember. Yeah.
discussing about the bool data type in Python. So, see
Yes.
here, actually, just a minute. So, the bool data type in Python represents the Boolean values. It has only two things, true and false. See here,
False.
these are the, yes. And also, you should remember it is having the corresponding integer data, that is 1 and 0. Actually, these are the keywords. These are the keywords defined, but its actual integer value is what? 1 and 0. Okay. So once again, so see here, I have two things: a equals 20, b equals 10. Now, if you use in the printf statement print a greater than b, so obviously means 20 is greater than 10. That means what? It is returning the true. So you will get the value what true. Okay, fine. Now, but if you are using a is less than b in the printf statement, then definitely you will get true. But now I'm going to show you when you should get the integer value, that is 1 and 0. So just wait. So c equals a. What I'm trying to do here, Siddhartha, c equals a greater than b. Means I'm trying to store the value returned by this RHS expression, a greater than b. Whatever it is the value, that is stored into the c variable. Now I am wanting to print the contents of the c. So again, you will get the same information, that is true. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can also store the returned value of such expression, a greater than b, a less than b, etc. And now you can print that variable contents. So still you will get that true. Now observe here again, same thing, c equals print a greater than b. I'm storing the contents. Which contents? In case of a greater than b, what is it? 20 is greater than 10. Yes, it is true. So it is returning. See here once again, it is not printing anything. Okay, just a minute, sorry. Let's print two things. What c equals print a greater than b. What is happening here? You are getting the true. Why you are getting the true here? Due to the print statement. But in the above, why you are getting the true?
So A is greater than B.
As you pass the C into the printf, means here you want to get the content of the C.
Right.
What happened? Once again, there is a slight difference in the both way. Here you are getting the contents of C, which is true. But here C equals a print A greater than B. Here you are not printing the C, but due to the print statement, you are getting the true. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just miss here we have the another true plus true. Here miss what? It is showing the proof that true contains integer number 1 plus 1 and true is also 1. So 1 plus 1. Here addition is done on the 1 plus 1. That is 2 you are getting. Got my point?
Yeah.
So also you can perform the arithmetic addition or subtraction on these two true and false keywords. But at the time of this one, definitely it is taking the corresponding integer data, that is 1 for the true and 0 for the false. Got my point? Okay. So once again, now just here, what I'm trying to do here in this printf statement, in the print, I'm supplying that the previous expression true plus true. Still we are getting the same, that is 2. Okay, so either you can use without the print statement, or you can supply that expression true plus true into the print statement. You will get in the both way the same information that is true. You can check also. I'm trying to do this one. Now, I just take a print true plus true minus false minus false minus false. As I told you, what is the value of the false? 0. And what is the corresponding value of the true? 1. And remember, it is only necessary in case of the arithmetic operation. But without the arithmetic operation, what it is? Remember, TRUE and FALSE false. These keywords. So next one, print true plus true plus true minus false minus false minus false. Obviously, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, and minus 0 minus 0 minus 0. That is what means what you are getting that. So now in this case, means first I'm trying to assign the true into the file1 variable, again true into the file2 variable, again true into the file3 variable. Now means what I'm trying to perform addition on file1 plus file2 plus file3. Now definitely you will get the three information. Got my point or not? Just a minute. Let me check. Yeah. Just a minute. Suppose A equals 20. Now B equals what? I'm taking the same one. Now here, first let me check what happens. A greater than B. Okay, so here, means no need of using the print statement. Directly you can also get the output. Now later, print, here I'm supplying A greater than B. Now here, I can see. Got my point? So, means we have so many ways. Now again, means next I'm trying to store the information what into the C variable here, A greater than B. Now C contains something. Now how you can get the information about the C? So just pass the C. Now still I'm getting C. And what happens if I'm using only C? Still I'm getting the difference or not? Without print statement and with print statement means you can get the contents of that one. So once again here what is the difference? C equals A greater than B. First RHS side is evaluated and it drops the some result. What is the result? Either true or false. Here in this demo, means true is returned. So true is assigned into the C variable. Now I'm printing the C. Very simple. Got my point? Okay. Now just matter here, but once again, if just sorry. True plus what? True. Here means you will get the error. Why you are getting the error? True plus true, because I used a small t. So this is not defined. So what is defined actually? Capital T. True and false. These are defined in the Python. So means what you should be careful here. Now here I am taking the sorry. True plus again. Now it is okay. Got my point? Again, suppose true plus true plus again true. Obviously, I'm getting 3, etc. Got my point? Any confusion?
No.
Okay, fine. Now, in the same way, you can do yourself for the right side. Am I right? So, can I proceed now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now discussing about, so this is the concept of the bold type. Now, so see here in the build once again, just in the built-in the first means the total how many category at the top level for the data type. At the top level, how many category? How many category you have? No, only two category.
Okay.
Built-in data type. Yes. Yes. Got my point. Now coming to the built-in data type. In the built-in data type, we have total 5 categories. Always you should remember such concept. Otherwise, what you may have the difficulty. Okay. So see here again in the built-in data types, I have the 5 category. What is the first one, Siddharthaji? Non-type. Non-type. What is the second one?
Numeric.
In the numeric, you have total 3 variety. Int, float, and complex.
Okay. Yes.
Now in the third category, we have the sequence. Yes, this is very important. Okay, so be
Yes.
serious here. So once again, in the sequence tab, total how many category here we have in the sequence tab? Did you
We have a
remember?
lot of, yeah,
Uh,
6.
yes, you are right. 6 category.
Yeah.
So which one? Which one? STR, byte, byte array,
Yeah.
and what a list, tuple, and what is the last
Couple,
one?
yeah, okay.
Range, range.
Right.
Got my point? Remember, you
Right.
must remember something. Once
Yeah,
again, yes, STR stands for the string. Okay, STR, a data type, a byte data type, what byte array data type, list data type, next one tuple data type, and last one in this category, that is which one? You tell me. List, tuple, range, range, RANG. Okay.
Range, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Fine. Now, so starting from the very first one. So so what? So very first, how you can define the sequence type? Very simple. A sequence represents a group of elements or items. Very simple things. Remember. So this is applied in all the 6 category. This definition means what? Grouping of elements or items. This is applied to all the 6 category. STR, byte, byte array, list, tuple, and what is the last one? Range. Got my point? So first discussing about very first. So each group of integer numbers will form the sequence. Now see here, there is no guarantee what you have the only integer grouping. You may have anything. Grouping of the character data, grouping of the integer information, grouping of the string information. Also, you may have grouping of the different data, grouping of the different data. So all fulfills this definition. Remember, a group of elements or item that is called the sequence. So now, so there are total 6 types of sequences in the Python. So already you know, first one str, bytes, byte array, list, tuple, and what range. So see here, I mean, there is actually bytes and byte array both are 90% same. Only a small change there is. Okay. Okay, so no need of what getting the confusion. Okay, only a small what a difference we have between the bytes and byte array. Now in the list tuple also these two are the similar. Only a small difference we have. Got my point? Now range is the totally different thing. Means this is heavily used in the loop statements, which I will discuss later. So once again, means you have get just overview about all the 6. Once again, first one str. It is related to what? Handling the string. STR is able to handling the string. Bytes and byte array, this is totally different things. Okay, list and tuple. Okay, what this is totally different things. What it is containing what different nature of data altogether. List and tuple contains different nature of data. So this is the beauty of the Python. Okay, here in the C++ we have restriction. Means in the area you can only store same type of data. So that is not the case in the Python. In the list or in the tuple, so you can put one data of the integer, second data of the string, third data of the float, etc. So this is the beauty of the Python. See that you got my point? Okay. So now, so first starting from the str. So once again, what is the concept of the str? For which purpose it is available in the Python? For handling the string.
To handling the string, yeah.
A string, yes. So see str represents a string data type, and a string represents a group of characters. There is difference between character and a string. Okay, in the C that is very clearly defined. Character is what simple thing, but once again, just let me discuss that points on the notepad. Is better for you. It is necessary for you. What is the definition of the character? So see here, adjustment A. So see here, etc. All these are the character. In the previous language, C or C++, got my point? So what is the definition? A definition of character is what? I am not talking in the Python. Means what is the definition? Any single character, any single character placed within what? Single quotes. Single quotes. Okay, that is called the character. But remember, if you are simply using the what a simple a, this is not the what not the character. Remember, why it is not the character? Because it is not placed within the single quotes.
Which is a single
Yes,
quotes.
yes. Suppose here I am writing this one again AB. What is your opinion, Siddharthaji, about this one?
It's a single character. It's a character.
It is also not the character. Why? Why means what contains two? It contains two characters. What my point? So that is here I have on the top I have mentioned the definition. Any single character placed within single
Single character, yeah.
Yes, yes. Remember that point.
Double character.
Yes. Got my point. Again, now
That's
next one. I'm taking this one. 8. Now you tell. What is your opinion? It is character or not? No character. Why? It is not the character. It is not the
double quotes.
It is not the character. But what is it? But it is simply. It is simply what integer.
Integer.
Yeah. So this is the difference. Got my point? Okay.
Yes.
If any digit is placed, you are placing within single quote. That is considered the character in the program. Generally, all the program language. Okay. But without single simply digit, that is the digit. Again, you must know means in the program, if you are mentioning this one, it is having different ASCII value, and if you are writing this one type, it is totally different ASCII value. So you must know this point. Got my point or not? So once again, what is the ASCII value for the type above 1? It is starting from 48 for what 0. What is the next one? 49 for 1. What is the next one? 50 for what 2, etc. Now you tell me what is for the 5.
What is for?
What is for the 5? What is the actual ASCII value?
ASCII value 48.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you have to add? 5 you have to add. That is what a 53. So 53 is the ASCII value. 53 is ASCII value. Remember. Okay. But if you are talking about the this is the character. This is simply the character. Got my point or not? Means it is a simply character. And here you must, because such are the basic concepts. Okay. Means I am not only fixed to the Python. I am teaching the Python and just we should not discuss this one. If you don't know, means it is my responsibility to discuss the basic things. You must know such basic elements. So here, in case of 5, what happens means just matter what 0, 5 different ASCII value 48 what 5. So here means I have a little doubt, Siddharthaji. Okay, I will discuss in the next this one. So here just I am leaving. But this is the what means for the 5 and for the 5. Both are having the different values for ASCII value. Remember in this time. Got my point? For the character, different ASCII value, and for the digit, you have the different ASCII value. I will discuss later. Okay. So here I have to think it means it is a waste of the time. So I hope you have the clear. Now coming on what string. Just a minute. String. So once again, what is the concept about the string? So see here, very simple. I am mentioning the definition, short definition here. Means it is what? A group of characters. Group of characters placed within. Observe the definition, placed within double quotes. Double quotes. Got my points or not? Placed within double quotes. What is the above one? Single quotes. But what is here? Double quotes. And also also at end of that string we have null character. We have null character. And what is null character? What is your concept about the null character? Null character is what? Null character is what? It is replaced like this one, either this one or this one, \0. Remember the points. Remember the points. Got my point or not? Null character is defined what in the program, either capital NULL or \0. Here, \0 is not the two. It is not the what? Sorry, is not the two characters. It is the single characters. Got my point? It is a single character. Remember the point. Understand? So I hope you have clear. So once again, what is the example? First, let me discuss some few examples here. Sorry, means here I'm writing what high. So high is what? It is the string. What my point? It is a string.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, what I'm doing here, just a minute. Simple. I'm writing the A. Now you tell me. You tell me. It is character or a string?
Character, because it's only one letter, single character.
Not character, because see, observe the what definition. What I use the double quotes. I placed the A within the double quote.
Okay.
So it
Right,
yeah.
right,
So
right.
it
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
So it is a string. Got my point? But but a string of which one? But a string of one character.
One
Only
character.
one
Yeah.
character. Remember.
Got it. Yeah, I understood.
Okay, fine. And but remember, in each, as I told you here, the definition, in each and every string at the last we have the null character. So what at last what we have? At last we have what? We have
Null character.
null character. Yes. Sorry. Okay, never forget such thing. This is the common thing. Now I'm taking another one. Suppose here I'm taking what? Now I'm taking what? 1, 2, 3. Now you tell me. You tell me.
Not string.
This is the string.
String.
Yes,
Okay. 1,
but
3,
but
yeah.
if I'm writing
Anything
this one,
place.
yes, but if I'm writing this one, this is not the string. This is the integer. This is the
Yeah.
integer. Got my point? So I have
But place between double quotes is a string.
yes, remember. And what is happening in the memory? In memory, sorry. In memory representation, and see such concept is confined to any programming. Remember, C, C++, Python, etc. Remember the concept. That's why means I'm discussing such one. So see here for the high, for the what is happening in the memory actually means what? How many? Just a minute. For the high means how many total memory portion? Total 3 memory box. Total 3 memory boxes allocated. Why 3? Why 3? Why not 2? Why not 2? Yes, 2 is for the 2 characters. 2 characters, yes. Okay, and one is for the null character. Got my point or not? As I told you, any string at the last, it contains the null character. So actually in the memory, it contains one extra memory box. It allocates. Got my point? Now you tell me for the what I'm taking another example. Suppose SCHOOL school. Now you tell me. In this case, in the memory, means how many memory boxes allocated total?
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1. That is 7 boxes. What my point? Why you have the confusion? SCHOOL. Total how many characters you see?
Oh, 6.
6. And why one extra, Siddharthaji? Why one extra?
One for null character.
Yes. So getting the concept, not getting the
Yes.
concept. Okay. Now suppose if I'm taking what here means what A. Now in this case, you tell me.
2.
Yes, only 2 means what? 1 plus 1, that is 2.
1 plus.
That is 2. 2 memory boxes. Got my point? 2 memory boxes allocated. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now I'm stopping this one. Now see here. So you have clear understanding about the means what difference between character and a string. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. So a string represents a group of the characters with null character. Here it is incomplete. A string represents group of characters with null character at last. So a string enclosed in single quotes or double. Now, see here, in the Python, we have 2 situations. Means you can place any string. I have on the notepad, I have shown you within the double quotes. But also you can place within the what a single quotes or double quotes. It is valid in the Python. Got my point?
Right.
Don't worry, I will give the demo. So a string also can be represented in this one. So first, once again, let me discuss about that one. Suppose miss my name equals what? My name is what? And this one DKC. Okay. Now see here, observe. Means I placed the DKC within the double quotes. Got my point? Now I want to print that one. Print, just pass that. And what is the name? Say that name is the string variable. Am I right? Name is the string variable, and I store into that variable DKC. So here I want to print that one. So what you will get? DKC. Got my point? DKC. First, now I'm taking another one. Suppose what name 2. Name 2 here. I want to but instead of the double quotes, also I am trying to store within this one. So here DKC like this. Now just observe print what name. So it is also valid or not. So what is the main points? Means any string you can use the double quotes or you can use the single quotes. What my point? Right. Okay. Okay. So see here once again. And Mr. how you can check what is the type of the name variable? Already you have the type and just pass here. What name 2? Name. Just so what is see here? Observe class str. What my point? Etc. Yeah. So getting the meaning of this sentence on my PPT, a string enclosed in single quotes or double quotes, anything as you wish. So a string can also be represented in this one. This is confusing. I am demonstrating that one. So first, once again. So first one, it is clear already. I explained on the demo. Yes, word is the string variable. I put welcome. Now print welcome. So you are getting that one. Another example, word equals welcome. Okay, that is the same example. That is unnecessarily repeated. Now here, word equals this one. What is the difference? Are you watching some difference? Means here I have put triple quote. Yes, triple quote. This is also valid. Not variable name should not be the keyword. Already you know this one. But there is main points about the triple single quote or triple double quotes. So first let me explain that one. So see here once again. Suppose our requirement is what? Let this is done. So suppose our requirement is our see here, miss very simple. If we have, what is the conclusion here? If we have a multiple line string, then we must use what triple quotes. Remember the points. Okay, what do you mean by multiple line string? For example, suppose here means what anything this is the Python class. Now observe here. This is the Python class, means what? All is the single string, and it is having multiple line or not. Okay, so if you place within this one, this one and here last one, so you will get the error. Suppose you will get definitely the error. So first let me show on the cells. So here control P here. This one, this is the Python class. Okay, now here you are getting some error. End of line while scanning a string literal. So but this is my requirement, means I have the very length. Suppose you have the paragraph, and you know paragraph is not having only one line. Paragraph is generally having what? Multiple line. Agree or not? So you want to store that whole paragraph into the string variable. Then how you can store this one? This is not possible. Then in that case, what you have to do? You have to use that triple quote. Suppose here I'm writing what? Para, and here what? Triple quotes. Now just mention anything you wish. This is what? The Python class. Now just stop again using the triple quotes. Now it is okay. Are you getting any error like the previous one?
No.
No. So getting the whatever importance of the three quotes when you have to use the three quotes. So what is the, suppose once again, now I want to print. How to print? Tell me print and just pass. What is the string variable name? Para. Okay, now here you are getting, this is the Python class. And what is the type? What is the type here? Just pass para. So still miss what it is still of the string type, str type. Clear note once again. So you have the single quotes concept, you have the double quotes concept, you have the triple quotes content. When you have to use a triple quotes, when you have to use the triple quotes concept,
when we have to use a paragraph, when you go line by line.
Yes. Miss simple. If you have the multiple line string, if you have the single line string, then there is no need of the triple quotes concept. Got my point? Okay, always remember this one. Now again taking I'm another what? Suppose str, another str2 equals what? I'm just giving the demo for the three quotes. What? Single, triple single quotes. Now here means how are you? Okay, now I'm closing that one. This one. Still it is available. Okay, now I want to print that one. Print what is here? What is the variable name? str2. Yeah. Now you are getting all things. Got my point? So again, triple single quotes. Above is what? A triple double quotes. Got my point? Triple double quotes in the above. Here, in the above, triple double quotes.
Right.
Okay, but here are triple single quotes. Okay, so whenever what is the conclusion? So I hope it is clear. So miss, what is the conclusion? I think you don't have any type of confusion.
Yeah.
Am I right? Okay, you need to practice yourself. So once again,
I will.
So once again, I'm repeating. Means a final conclusion. If you have single line string, then there is no concept of the triple single quotes or triple double quotes.
Right.
Okay, but if you have multi-line string, that is paragraph, then you must place all the paragraph contents within triple single quotes or triple double quotes.
Right.
Okay, so remember this one. Okay, now, so a string can also be represented in this one. If assigned to variable, then a string, otherwise it will be coming. Here, one more points I have. It will, if you are not assigning such a string into the variable, then that is treated as the comment. Means in the Python, you can represent the comment by what? Triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Once again, Siddharthaji, if you are not using the string, you are not assigning the string into the string variable. If you are not assigning the paragraph into the string variable, then what is the meaning of that one? Python treats that is the commented line. So in the C we have what? Double slash. in the Python, using the single quotes, you can make the comment that one. I will show you that one later when I start the programming portion. So up to here, it is right. Okay, this time just omit this one about the, because you may have a confusion. So omit this point. I will discuss later. So now it is already done. It is also done, similar. So now very important point. Now once again, before going jumping on the another, that is a more important points indexing on this here. First, tell me, Siddhartha, very frankly, in the previous, did you have any doubt about
No.
single quotes, about double quotes, about triple single quotes, about triple double quotes? Okay,
No.
don't worry, just repeat the session and just practice that one. That will be clear. Okay, now we have the concept understand, that is indexing on the str. And here again, this is the beauty of the Python. We have the two concepts, forward and backward indexing. So what do we mean by something? Suppose I have the string Python. Okay, Python within the double quotes, and I am storing this string variable into the which string variable? Sorry, this string Python I'm storing into which variable? X. Correct. So what Python, and assume also means between any two characters we don't have any space. Remember, assume it seems we have the space, but assume there is no space between any two characters. So word Python is written without space. Now what do you mean by the forward indexing? Means very first character starts from the 0. Next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got my point? Later I'm going to print the particular character. Then such index will help us. Which character I want to print, means I will have to take the help of what? This indexing concept. So this is called forward indexing. Also we have backward indexing. But in the backward indexing, what? From the last one, it is started from the -1. So -1 for the N, -2 for the O, -3 for the H, -4 for the T, -5 for the Y, -6 for the P. Getting the difference between these two types of indexing? Siddhartha-ji, forward indexing starts always from the 0, or while backward indexing starts from the -1, but from the last character.
Right.
Okay, now I'm going to do some activity here. So see here, once again. So see here, suppose, means we have the string. What is our string here? Just a minute. Just a minute. Now, so observe one by one. Means the name contains the string. What is the string? Hari Om defensive technology. So first, H. What is the index for H? What is the index for H? 0.
0.
What is the index for A?
1.
R?
2.
Etc. But this is in the forward indexing. But in the backward indexing, you have to start the journey from this one. Y, last one. -1, -2, -3,
-1, -2. Yes.
Remember. Now see here, one by one. Now I want to use the print statement, and I am passing the name. So what you will get? So definitely you will get all the string, whole string. Means it will print the complete string. There is no confusion. Print, you are passing that string variable name. So definitely you will get a whole string or not?
Yes.
Yes, there is no dot. But remember in the next one, print name. Here you are using the indexing. Which indexing you are providing? Say that as name of 0 means what character you will get? You will get the first character, that is S. So it will print the first character instead of the whole string.
Right.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, now print name again. It is the third variety. Here I am using the 2 index, 2:5. So what does it mean? It actually means, say that Ajim, what means you want to start indexing from the 2. What is the 2? 0, 1, 2.
1, 2, R.
2 stands for R. So it starts printing from the R. But what is the meaning of the 5? Up to 5 means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember, M is not taken. Pipe is excluding. Pipe is excluding.
Yes.
Remember, once again, here I'm making the comments. Okay, so okay, I have to just. Okay, miss, it is not possible. I will change later. I will change later. So remember, when you have the two index within the square bracket, first index is what? Including. But what about the second indexing? That is excluding.
Right.
Excluding means what? You don't have to take that character. Including means what?
Exactly.
You have to take, yes, take that character. Okay, so I hope you get the concept. So you will get, now you tell me, what you tell me, which information you will get in this case? 0, 1, 2.
R. From R to M.
2, 3, 4. Not M. Because 5 is
sorry,
what?
Excluding.
Yes,
right.
yes. RIO, only RIO. Got my point?
Right.
Yes, remember.
Right.
Now, so here I have mentioned that the characters starting from the third to the fifth one. This third and fifth is from a human point of view. Third to fifth, this is from human point of view. But in the Python index, it starts from the 0. So don't be confused. To here we have the 2. 2 means what? A third from my point of view. 5 index from the Python, but it's what? Yes, 5 the fifth character. That is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is O you will get. Next one. Now you tell me. Already you have the idea. Now you tell me which information you will get here. Go slowly.
From M?
Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is excluding. You won't get E. So DEF. Yes, M space DEF. Am I right? M space DEF. Okay, excellent. So now here I'm not using 2 index. I'm using only single index, but I'm using the colon. So what does it actually mean? It starts printing the all character, but starting from the 5. Starting from the 5th index to all characters.
All the way to the end.
Yes, yeah, to the end. Yes. So prints starts a string character, starting from the 6th character up to last. Got my point? Because you didn't mention the second index.
Right.
Okay, it is clear now? Now, here it is another demo. Print name stakes 2. So you can use the stakes, and you know stakes is meant for the multiplication. But here you can use that one. But concept is totally changed. What you will get? So you will get the 2 times string, prints a string 2 times. What my point? That is what Hariom defensive technology, Hariom defensive technology. 2 times you are getting. Suppose I'm writing name stakes 5. Then what we will get? We will get the same whole string 5 times, but 5 times. Hariom defensive technology, Hariom defensive technology, Hariom defensive technology, etc. 5 times. Got my point or not? So once again, so it is clear note about once again, if you are not mentioning any index, any square bracket, then what print name, then what is your opinion?
Print the complete string.
Yes. Now
it will get Hariom
yes. Now later I want to use not whole string. Our requirement is what? Some particular characters. Okay, then you have to use such indexing concept. Okay, so here. So now we have another example also. Print name plus my channel. So see here, my channel is the string. Why it is a string? Because it is placed within double quotes. Am I right? My channel word placed within the double quote. So it is a string. Now here, what is the purpose of the plus sign? It will simply concatenate 2 string. Which 2 string? First string is available into the name variable, Hariom defensive technology, and my channel is the direct string now, so it will concatenate the both string. So what is the output here? Hariom defensive technology, my channel. Got my point? Okay, so now here you have the corresponding output in the first case. All in the what here name 0, you will get the H. In case of 5 RIO, in case of 5 to 10 M space DEF, in case of the 5 colon here starting from the 5th one, but all because you didn't mention the second index. Name stakes 2 here 2 times Hariom defensive technology, Hariom defensive technology. In case of the last one, just it is concatenating. So see here, just matter. It is enough or not getting my points. So, suppose just matter. First, I'm closing this. So you will have to much practice on all such things. So here, suppose str. I am taking which one? I'm taking anything means what university.
Right.
Okay. Now just print. Just I am passing str. Now you tell me. Here I'm getting all
University.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Now print. Here I'm getting. I'm passing not whole str, but here 0 index. Now you tell me. Only I'm getting the first
Only
character.
you.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. So now print. I'm passing str, but here I'm giving the what a 5. Now you tell me here the fifth character.
Five.
What is starting from the 0, 0, 1,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5. That
5.
is R. That
Yes,
is R.
yes.
What am I point? Now print just here I'm passing str, and here I'm using the not 2, using the column. So here starting from 2, not 3. I'm taking 3. Now you tell me. So it will start from the third and up to last.
Till the end. Yeah.
Yes, I got my point. Now last one I'm taking str. Now here I'm giving sorry, some mistake is done. Actually we have to use this one. Now I'm taking which one? 2, and last one is what? 6. Now you tell me starting from
I.
yes, but excluding the 6th index.
Right.
Yes, got my point. Okay.
Till R.
Now
Yeah.
okay, now just print. Here I'm doing str, but asterisk symbol I'm using here 3. Now you tell me. You tell me str asterisk 3.
University 3 times.
Yes, 3 times university. Last one print. Yeah, str. Now I'm using the plus sign. So plus sign is a mean for concatenating. So here I'm passing some string. What university? What is place? Is place of study. Sorry, study. Now you tell me. Plus, as I told you, plus is used for concatenating. Asterisk is used for what number of times that is printed. So what happens? Right. University is place of study. Means you are simply concatenating.
Right.
First string is what that is held into the str variable. And second, you are manually passing that one each place of study. So I hope Siddharthaji means you have clear understanding about this one. Only one thing is what you need to practice yourself. Okay. Only then you should be perfect. Okay. Okay. So fine. So see what is the conclusion? Indexing plays very important role. Yes or no? Indexing plays very important role here.
Right.
Now. So now a special operation we have. Suppose now you tell me just already you have an idea.
Okay. From 0 from H to 1, 2, 3.
6 is excluded.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
6 is excluded. Yes. Fine. Now name here. Yeah. Again, it is difficult for you. So here I am using the 3 information up to 0, 6. It is same like the previous. Now what is the meaning of 1? Means in the 0 to 6. Means you are printing each and every character if I use the 1 as the third index. Every occurrence in 0 to 6 means what all. But remember, here I am using the 2. In case of 2, you won't get each and every occurrence. But first skip second taking. Once again, every second occurrence in 0 to 6 string. So once again, means you are getting the H, but you are skipping A. A is not available here. But again, R is available. Again, what I is not available. O is available. Got my point or not? So getting the difference 1 and 2. Once again, if you are using as a third argument 1, means you will get every character. But instead of 1, you are supplying 2. What is the meaning of general meaning? Here I put the comment. Every second occurrence. Okay. Means what? First, not second, third, not 4, 5th, not 6, etc. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So Now you tell me, already you have the idea. Here I am passing 3. So what is your what opinion?
Hi.
Why not A, not R? Because that is a skip.
Yes.
First one and second, that is a skip. But third one is taken. Third one is taken. Got my point? So remember, etc. Understand? So generally it is rarely used, but you must know such concept also. Now you tell me here, not first, not second, not third, but fourth one. But fourth one.
Yes.
Yes. So but starting from H, A, R, I, skipping, but you are taking the O, etc.
Right.
Now in this case, you are supplying 1 to 10, but 1. So it is similar to 1 to 10 or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so here there is no meaning of the third index. So
Right.
okay, so 2, 3, 4, it is okay, but there is no meaning of supplying the 1. Okay, because you are getting the all starting from the first character up to the up to the 9th character.
9th character.
Yes. So, Miss, will you check this one, or should I verify this one?
No, that's good.
Okay.
A, I am, because it's skipping in between the letters.
Yes. Now, what about here? 110.
It's skipping three in between the letters.
Yes. First is skipping, second is skipping, third is taking. Third is taking. Okay, etc. So already in the right side, you can observe the in different same thing. I have taken some. So clear, no, Siddhartha, this is indexing. Yes. Okay, fine.
Indexing. Yeah.
Now some special points about that. So there is no CAD. See, in the C++, we have the CHAR CAD data type, but in the Python we don't have the CAD data type. Remember, right. Either you are using the character or string, means that character is also treated as the string. Remember, but my point. So you can check. Suppose suppose in the CH I'm assigning the A, but from my notepad definition, you know, A seems like this is the character. Am I right? Okay, but if you are using the type and you are passing CH, you will get the string type. What is the type of this CH variable? A string type. So why it is happening? Because in the Python there is no concept of the character data type. Single character is also treated as the string. Remember all of it. But in C++, that is the concept which I explained on the notepad. Understand? Right. Okay. So now next one, name, Ravi. It is clear. So name, you are passing the index. You tell me what you will get. So already I discussed in the previous slide. Yes, that particular character.
Right.
A type of 0 means again still you are getting the what is the data type for that one? Yes, a string. So what is the proof here? Means there is no concept about the char data type. Even single character is treated as the string in the Python. Understand? Okay. So now, I hope Miss STR, Miss, I have given sufficient explanation on the string. It is up to you, Miss, what you have to do practice on the string. Miss, only you have to remember what indexing, slashing. Indexing, we have 2 indexing ways, forward indexing and what we have backward indexing. I didn't give the example for backward indexing. I will give you the later. Okay, so just Miss, you should be familiar about each and every data type first. Then I will again research on that one. So now discussing about the bytes data. Remember, so the bytes data type represents a group of byte numbers. So see here, this is the difference. It is only having the numbers, not character, not a string. Very first one, got my point? The byte data type contains only integer values. Right. It is not what consists of the string or character. Only it contains the integer value. Second point is what? Means we have some range. Just a minute. So what is that range? For each and every integer value, we have the range 0 to 255. Means you can't store greater than 255 number or less than 0. Remember, all the numbers placed within the bytes data type, what is the nature for each and every one? Very first point, that should be the number, what's the integer. And second is what? Means that must be within this range, 0 to 255.
Right.
Okay, now, also it does not support the negative numbers. Already I explained, you can't put the negative numbers also. because only it's having the range 0 to 255. It is not containing negative numbers. So just remember these two things and just see here. What is A? A is the variable and equals I am assigning 12, 13, 45. And see here, actually this is the list. I will discuss there, but in this time, understand what is the A. Understand, just matter. Just what let me do. This is a list, which I will explain later. Got my point? But in this time, just understand means what is the symbol for the list. You have all the information within the square bracket. But in the second line, what you are doing? X equals to bytes A. You are using the bytes keyword and you are passing A. What does it mean? Already I explained in the yesterday demo. What you are doing here. So here I am making the comment for your simplicity. What? Casting. Remember not casting. Yeah. Typecasting means I want to change.
Yes.
Yes. I want to change that list into the bytes. That is the bytes. Okay, right. So remember that. Now, so here, now what is the type of the A and what is the type of the X? Both are same or different type? A
different.
And X, different. A is of the list type, which you will learn later. But X is of byte type, because using the casting, I changed that one. Now, if you are passing X to the type, what happens? You will get of bytes. Got my point? Okay.
Right.
Now, what is this one? Miss here, I want to change the, miss, I want to do some modification into the first one. Now see here, indexing. Indexing is also applied here, like the previous one. What is the first value index? 0. Second value index, what is? 1. Third value index, what is?
1.
0, 1, 2. Got my point?
2.
Same concept. Now, X of 0, what do I want? I want to assign 78 in place of the 12. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. But again, you have to remember. So you will get the type error. Bytes object does not support item assignment. It means what is the conclusion? Once you set the data, that is fixed. Later, you can't change that one. Got my point?
Right. Yes.
Okay. That's why you will get the error. Understand? If you need, then you have to take the another variable, byte variable, and you have to take your corresponding data. But in the previous, you can't do modification. Remember. Got my point or not? Okay. So once again, so here now, just observe here. A equals 44, 267, 472. Still, which type of A is? What is the data type of the A?
Data type of A is a list.
List, yes. Now, X equals bytes of A. What you are doing? What is the data type of the X?
Casting. We are actually casting.
Yes.
We are actually converting A into bytes.
Yes. So value here you are getting. Why you are getting the error? Bytes must be in the range, because I have some information which is not lie
in between 256.
Okay, so you have to remember 3 points in case of bytes. Very first point is what? It is having an integer data. Second point, its range is what? 0 to 255. Third point is what? You can't perform modification.
Right.
Okay, only 3 points remember always. Siddharth. Okay, it is fine now. Now you tell me here. A equals 2 minus 5. Still it is the what list. X equals bytes C. Again, you are getting the error. What may be the reason for this one?
It is bytes.
What is the reason for this such type of error?
-5.
Yes, negative is not.
-5 because it's not in between 256.
Yes, excellent. So I hope these are the sufficient demo. So should I execute or you can check yourself?
I can check myself.
Okay, fine. So that is done. Next one. Now third one, bytary. So see here, as I told you, bytary and byte both are the same. Only difference is what? In the byte, what is the objection? What is the restriction? What is the third point I discussed? You can't do modification. Am I right?
Right.
You can't change the data. Once that is fixed. But in case of byte array, you can change the information. You can do modification. Only this is the difference. So once again, when you have to choose the byte data type and when you have to choose the byte array, very simple. Now can you answer? when you do some modification on that, then instead of the byte, you should take the byte array data type. Am I right? But if your what requirement is what all information should be fixed, that can't be changed, then which data type you have to take? Simple byte.
Simple byte.
Are you having a confusion? So see here. First, tell me once again about byte. That concept is clear. Not did you remember 3 points?
Yeah.
Okay. Now in the byte array, it is similar. Means 99% similar. Only one change, a small change. What is the change?
Right.
You have the restriction in the byte previous, but that restriction is removed here. Means you can do modification here. All things are same.
Byte array we can do modification.
Yes, only this is the change. All things are same.
Array we can do modification.
Yes, got my
Because
point.
it is in between the range. Yes.
Yes, the byte array data type similar to byte data type. The difference is that the bytes type array cannot be modified, but byte array can be modified. Okay, once again. So see here, again, this is the list. You are using the typecast. You are making X as of the byte array. Now print X of 0. Which one you will get? Obviously 55 indexing. Yes. Now X 0, 99. You want to do modification. You want to change 55 by the 99. So here you can do it. Got my point? You can do it. You are not getting any type of error. But if you have the byte data type, then you will have the error. Got my point?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the loop concept. You have a small idea about the loop. So using the loop, I want to print each and every information. So but printing all the data 99, 722, 72, etc. Don't worry. In the loop chapter, I will explain each and everything. So till now, what in the which category we are learning? Built-in data type. We have the total 5 category. First one non-type. Second one numeric type. Third type, third category sequence type. In the sequence type, we have total 6 variety.
Right.
Yes. Very first STR, byte array. Now fourth one I am going to learn what is list data type. Very powerful in the Python. Okay. So list data. So see a list. It stores different data type elements and it can grow dynamically. So see here in the C, we have the array concept. In the array, we can do same thing. But what is the problem in the C++? In the array, we can store all the information having same data type. We can't place the different data. That is the problem here. But in the Python, list is made for that one. You can store different category of the data. Got my point?
Right.
Okay, so store different data type elements and also can grow dynamically. Suppose in the future you want to store more information, then also you can store simply. And Python will allocate memory internally. Means what? Hey, what is the point? It can grow dynamically. We should not worry about what the size of that one. But in the C++ about the array, we have to mention the size. Once we define the size, that is the fixed. Okay, it can't change the size. But here in the Python, it can grow automatically, dynamically. Getting my point or not? Okay. So once again, what is the 2 points about the list? Only 2 points. What is the first point? Say Dataji.
It stores any type of data types into.
Yes, it's complex data. One is of a string, one is of integer, one is of another type.
Right.
And second, what is the second points? Suppose you are writing the project, designing project today, and you are using the sum list, my list. You contain some information. Now after 5 days, you need to store 25 information. 25 separate information into the same previous list, my list. Then simply you can put that. And what happens? Python system, allocate the memory dynamically. You need not to worry about that one allocation of the extra memory. What my point? Allocation of the extra memory. Yes, we should not worry about that one. It will grow dynamically. Yes, that is the point. So list and third point is what is the symbol for the list? Means a square bracket. You have to place all the information. Yes, within the square bracket. And each and every information must be separated by the comma. Okay, so I hope these 3-4 points already
Right.
you have got this one. Now, what is the note? List elements can be modified. Yes,
Modified.
obviously.
Right.
In the previous one, on which data type we can't do modification? Did you remember or forget?
Yeah.
Tell me.
We can modify.
On the bytes data type, you can't do
Yes.
modification.
Yes.
But
yeah.
then what is the alternative?
Exactly.
What is the alternative? Instead of the byte, we have the byte array.
Byte array.
Okay, okay. And same thing on the list, you can do modification. Its elements can be modified. You can do modification. Yes. Now, so this is the just concept now. So see here, very first here, A equals 1. See here, 1001. It is the roll number. Ramu is the name, and Sonu is another name. What different data types I am storing? Yes or no?
Right.
And in the B variable means what 1002, Ram Bahadur, Jharkhand, etc. So now A of 0, again indexing concept is similar to the string str, which I discussed.
Right.
Means indexing always start from the 0. So remember now A of 0, which one you will get? A of 0, which information you will
1001.
get? Yes.
Because it is 0.
Yes. Now.
B of
now
0.
So see here, that's why I discussed about the indexing, both type of indexing, also slashing. Slashing means what? Slashing means what? What?
It gives the number after 0.
Yes, sir. Means between the information, not all.
Information.
You want to get some information. So see here, A0:2 here against what slashing concept. Now, what is your opinion? Starting from the 0, am I right?
0.
But excluding 2.
Inside excluding
2. So 0 to 1 means 1001.
0 and 1.
It is okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next one, B. Now you tell me. B:3.
So in B:3, it prints last 3 numbers. So
See here. Once again, means I'm not supplying the first index, am I right?
Right.
Okay, then in this case, what happens? System will start taking from the starting of 0.
From first point to 3 point.
But not 3. Remember, that is excluded.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Not 3. 0, 1, 2.
Yes, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. That is this one. Remember the points, that one. Okay. Now, print of A. Okay, print of A. Obviously, I will get all the information of the list.
Right.
Means in the print, I am supplying that list variable, A variable. So I will get all the information. Now, what is the type of A? Obviously, I have the list, that class list. Next, A of 0, I am getting 1001. Next, A of 0 equals here. What do I do here? Actually, I want to do modification. Instead of the roll number 1001, I want to replace that previous one by 1111. Is it possible here? Yes, it is possible. Now it is changed. So how you can verify? Just print and passing A. You will get the modified information. Got my point?
Right.
Okay. So next one, again, I have the another list. So see a list. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 information. One is the string, second one is the integer value, third one is the float value, fourth one is the string, and fifth one is the floating point data. Yes. Now again, I have the teeny list. Teeny list equals 1, 2, 3, and John. Now observe and see here. Print list. What you will get? You are passing the list into the print station.
Yes.
You will get all the information. Yes, excellent.
Right.
Now print list of 0. So only 0 index information, that is A, B, C, D. Am I right?
Right.
Okay. Next one.
Only 0.
Print list from 1 to 3. Same concept. Which
so 0 is excluded.
Starting
1 and 2. 3 is also excluded.
Yes. Starting from the 1, but 1 to 3 is excluding. That is what? 786 2.23. Okay. So print list. Now you tell me. I'm omitting the second index. Then what is the opinion? What is the concept here? Until n. Am I right? Until n, because you didn't mention the second index. But starting from the second index, so 1, 0, 1, 2, starting from 2.23 up to last one. Agree or not? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you tell me print teeny list takes 2. Already you know the concept.
It will go print 2 times.
2 times. What first in the teeny list you have what information? 1, 2, 3 and John. So 1, 2, 3 John, 1, 2, 3 John. Got my point?
Right.
Okay. Now print list plus teeny list. Now what is happening? What is the concept? First, tell me, explain the concept.
It is
List.
printing list and tiny list.
First, you tell me, what is the meaning of the plus sign here?
It is adding both list and tiny list.
Yes, actually, you should use the technical word that is concatenating.
Concatenation. Concatenation.
Okay, so it will concatenate the both strings. So means
Right.
I'm getting all the information, etc.
Okay.
Clear? Okay.
Right.
So, should I execute such thing, or you can do? This is very fun, very easy. Already on the PPT slide, I have explanation everything. Or should I check?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I can. I will just practice and I'll be ready on my.
Yes. Now, what is the conclusion about the list? So print list, it prints complete list. Am I right?
Right.
It prints all the information what having in that variable. Now, print list 0. It prints only first elements of the list. Print list 1:3. It will print elements starting from what? Second. What is the? Do you have confusion about the second?
No.
Yes.
I have clear understanding about.
Yes,
what
means from human point of view. Second, from human
Right.
point of view. Okay. So from the system, index is what? 1. So skipping 0. Starting from the 1 index up to 0.
One, two,
Yes.
Starting from 1 to 2.
Yes, right. Up to 2 index. Excellent.
Mm.
Now list 2 column prints elements starting from the third element up to
Third
last.
element.
Okay.
Right.
Here it prints
Two times.
2 times. Yes. What it prints the concatenated
It's
list.
concatenation.
Got my
list.
point? Fine. Okay. So now next one. So here I am stopping. Okay. So first you should practice sufficient practice on this one. Then I will jump there. Okay, Siddhartha-ji?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. We'll continue on Monday again.
Yes. Tomorrow is a Sunday, so just it is better for both of us. Okay.
Yeah, it's not just that I just want to practice and make sure things.
And
then
also,
come back on Monday.
if you have any doubt in the previous demo, just repeat that one.
I will write it down. Yeah, for sure.
And one more thing, Miss, try to make a short notes, because see here, actually, Miss, I have tried to put each and every content into the PPT slide.
Yes, I can understand from.
But always it is not possible, because
I'm little bit familiar on this values tuples list, how the bracket should be, what is going on right now. I already do this like couple of times already.
Okay, then definitely I will enjoy
practice basically.
Okay. So Miss,
so I'll do that.
Okay.
I'll do that, and I'll if there is anything, I'll let you know on Monday. If there's anything, note it down. I'll make short notes, because this is already got.
Okay, and one more thing, Siddhartha-ji, Miss, what 3 classes done, Miss, what is your opinion, Miss? Should you continue, or just Miss? I'm waiting for your confirmation, Miss. I should continue the class or stopping the class?
No, you can continue the class.
Okay, so that is final. That is done. Almost.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, and also I exactly don't know how much I'm paying for you for a month.
See, you can discuss from the Chaitanya. So okay, I already discussed each and everything, and I'm not feeling good to you, because I am teaching you, Miss. I am treating you my students. Okay, and I have a hesitation to discuss.
Okay, no problem. I'll talk to Chaitanya. No problem. I'll talk to Chaitanya.
Okay, fine. Okay, but that
is my brother only.
Yes. Okay. Yes, excellent. But see, always, Miss, I'm not giving the priority on the price. First, I'm giving the priority on teaching well to my students. That is the second thing.
And also you're going in detail. That's why I want to continue.
Okay.
Basically.
But only I'm requesting you what, Miss, especially in the batch, I'm getting the benefit. But here, Miss, we are conducting
one-on-one. Yeah.
Oh yes. One.
I get it. Okay. He already told me about that. No problem. You don't have to worry about that. Money thing is okay. That's not a big thing.
Okay.
I'm asking you how much is it, but I'll talk to Chaitanya. No worries.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Because Miss, what I taught to Kaushik and Karthik. So Miss, now you tell me.
They are my son only.
Yes. Is it good for me to discuss about the payment to Karthik and Kaushik? No. Definitely, I don't like this one.
Right.
Yes, no. Okay, fine.
I will talk to him. No problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, we'll connect on Monday. Bye.
Okay.